Welcome back to another episode of Tech Talk. Today we're diving into a topic that's becoming increasingly relevant in our digital world, package management security, specifically focusing on a tool called pipask. If you've ever installed Python packages, or really any software, you know it can be a bit of a gamble. But what if there was a way to make that process safer without sacrificing convenience? Well, that's exactly what pipask aims to do. So what is pipask? You can think of it as a drop-in replacement for the traditional Python package manager, pip. What's unique about pipask is that it performs security checks before proceeding with any installation. This is crucial because, let's be honest, installing from third-party repositories can sometimes feel like playing with fire. With pipask, you get a layer of safety that helps ensure you know exactly what you're getting into. Here's how it works. Normally, when you install a package using pip, it downloads and executes the code from the source first to check for dependencies. This can expose you to risks if, say, the package you're trying to install has some malicious code hidden within. pipask, on the other hand, tries to use metadata from PyPI, Python's package index, whenever it can. This means it doesn't have to execute any risky code until you're fully aware of what's about to happen. And if for some reason pipask does need to execute third-party code, it will ask for your consent first before proceeding. Pretty neat, right? Now, let's talk about installation. The recommended way to set up pipask is by using another tool called pipask, which helps you isolate the different dependencies. But if you prefer, you can also install it using pip like you normally would. For instance, you might run commands like pipask install requests or even pipask install -r requirements.txt. And here's a pro tip. You can alias pip to point to pipask, so you almost forget it's there helping you out. But what about the security checks? pipask runs a series of evaluations before allowing any installation. It checks repository popularity, looking for a good number of stars on GitHub, which, believe it or not, can indicate a package's reliability. If a package has less than 1,000 stars, you might get a warning. It also checks the package age. Anything less than 22 days old or older than a year might raise some eyebrows. Moreover, it keeps an eye on known vulnerabilities listed in PyPI, handles metadata verification, and checks download statistics. So with all these checks in place, you might wonder how pipask knows all this info. It taps into multiple sources, like GitHub stats and vulnerability databases, to create a comprehensive report that informs you of any potential risks before any installation takes place. As we wrap up, it's important to think about how tools like pipask can change the landscape of software installation. They not only enhance security, but also give you peace of mind knowing that you're making more informed decisions. So next time you're about to install a package, consider using pipask to steer clear of potential pitfalls. Thanks for tuning into Tech Talk, where we explore the intersection of technology and daily life. Remember, always double-check what you're installing, and as always, stay curious. Until next time.